Fair use is a very powerful right that allows the filmmaker, under certain circumstances, to use, copy, and even exploit for profit discrete portions of other people's copywritten material without even having to pay a single dollar in licensing fees. The reason why we have a copyright law is not primarily to invest a property interest in the creator. The primary reason why we have a copyright law is to encourage works of creativity in the arts and in the sciences. And society is thereby enriched. And in order to encourage that sort of work from people, Congress allows those authors for a limited amount of time to have an absolute monopoly on their creations. So what is copyright? Copywritten material has three aspects. The first element is that it must be original and it must be creative. The second element is that it must be fixed in a tangible medium, like a piece of paper, recorded on a disc or tape. And the third element is that it must be perceptible, something that can be copied or communicated. There are some things copyright law does not protect. One of those things are facts, news facts, historical facts. So for example, the Supreme Court has determined that white pages in a telephone book can't be copywritten because those are merely facts, assemblage of people's names and their phone numbers. The second thing copyright does not protect are mere ideas. So for example, Star Wars is copywritten, but the idea of a farm boy from outer space going on a hero's journey to rescue a princess is not copyrightable. So what exactly is copyright rights? In general terms, a copyright gives the creator a monopoly on the use of the material, copying of the material, the exclusive right to make derivative works, the right to put on a public performance based on that material, and in general, the right to exploit that material for profit. How long does copyright run? It runs for the life of the author plus 70 more years. Well, there are pretty severe penalties for infringement of copyright. First, the copyright holder can get actual damages, the amount of money that the holder lost because somebody else violated the copyright. On top of that, the copyright holder can also get what's called statutory damages, meaning that even if the copyright holder had not been hurt at all because of the infringement, the copyright holder can still collect from $750 up to $30,000 for each infringement. So those are the basics of copyright law. In the next webisode, we'll be talking about fair use.